Question number 9. If x minus 1 by x equal 4, prove that x square plus 1 by x square equal 18. Given that x minus 1 by x equal 4 or x minus 1 by x whole square equal 4 square in both sides, or here we will be apply the formula of a minus b whole square, that means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a square means x square minus 2 into a means x into b means 1 by x plus b square means 1 by x whole square equal square value of 4 is 16, or x square minus 2 plus 1 by x square equal 16, or x square plus 1 by x square equal 16 plus 2, or x square plus 1 by x square equal added value of 16 and 2 equal 18. Proved. Question number 10. If m plus 1 by m equal to, prove that m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4 equal to. Given that m plus 1 by m equal 2 or m plus 1 by m whole square equal 2 square in both sides, or here we will be apply the formula of a plus b whole square, that means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a square means m square plus 2 into a means m into b means 1 by m plus b square means 1 by m whole square equal square value of 2 is 4, or m square plus 2 plus 1 by m square equal 4, or m square plus 1 by m square equal 4 minus 2, or m square plus 1 by m square equal 2. Here square in both sides, again, or again we will be apply the formula of a plus b whole square, that means a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square means m square whole square plus 2 into a means m square into b means 1 by m square plus b square means 1 by m square whole square equal square value of 2 is 4, or m square whole square equal m to the power 4 plus 2 plus 1 by m square whole square equal 1 by m to the power 4 equal 4, or m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4 equal 4 minus 2, or m to the power 4 plus 1 by m to the power 4 equal 2. Proved. Question number 11. If x plus y equal 12 and xy equal 27, find the value of x minus y whole square and x square plus y square. Given that x plus y equal 12 and xy equal 27, now x minus y whole square. Here we will be apply the corollary formula of a minus b whole square. That means a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Here x considered as a and y considered as b equal x plus y whole square minus 4 into xy. Value of x plus y equal 12 whole square minus 4 into value of xy equal 27. Square value of 12 is 144 minus multiplying value of 27 and 4 equal 108. Subtracted value of 144 and 108 equal 36. Again x square plus y square. Here we will be apply the corollary formula of a square plus b square. That means a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Here x considered as a and y considered as b. That means x square plus y square equal x plus y whole square minus 2xy. X plus y whole square minus 2xy. Value of xy equal 12 whole square minus 2 into value of xy equal 27. Square value of 12 equal 144 minus 27 to the 54. Subtracted value of 144 and 54 equal 90. Question number 12. If a plus b equal 13 and ab equal 3, find the value of 2a square plus b square and ab. Given that a plus b equal 13 and a minus b equal 3. Now 2a square plus 2b square. At first we will be taking 2 as a common value. After taking common value, we can write inside the parenthesis a square plus b square. Here we will be apply the formula of 2 into a square plus b square equal a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Value of a plus b equal 13, then square, plus value of a minus b equal 3, then square. Square value of 13 equal 169 plus square value of 3 is 9. Added value of 169 plus 9 equal 178. Again AB. Here we will be apply the formula of AB. AB equal a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square equal a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Value of a plus b equal 13 by 2 whole square minus value of a minus b equal by 2 whole square. Square value of 13 is 169. Square value of 2 is 4 minus square value of 3 is 9 and square value of 2 is 4. Here we will be apply subtraction rules. LCM value is 4. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 1 multiply 169 equal 169 minus 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 1 multiply 9 equal 9 equal subtracted value of 169 and 9 equal 160 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 40s are 160 equal 40.